Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy, en ik maak
live videos, mostly of Yiddish.
If I'm to the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Self new on the channel those tremendously, so thank you for that. Alright, Farmer Guy anyway, will look absolutely, so positively, 100% nicht financial advice. Name I do not financial advice. Please be very careful, the market is weg nemen alles wat die hast. Maar anders krijg ik wist dat die hast. En wie voor de kans borgen. Ze kijkt niet wat dan zorgen. So please. Kijk eens wie een kind, een adult, was weiß nicht was het is. Alright. Wie staan we dit? Wie staan we dit op de Wednesday morning? Go. Hello and welcome, Go. How's it going? Good morning. Nog gaat ze free. Nog gaat ook. Ik hoop ze daar een kan plug. Agit wordt zoek. Ik heb een copyright strike nechten voor de eerste mal op dit channel. So, met zijn was geschehen. $23 in the green so far. 2-3. So we deny a 6-7, huh? Hold on. Ik heb reviewed. Gedenkst ik de wife running back, waar hebben we gehalten de waab op de rikken in me gelaufen. Ze hebben gekapie strijkt mijn channel. Van de reviewen. Okay. So by Nacht, der sag mal mitten Tag. I don't remember which one. I think it was Wednesday night. I reviewed etwas in ist geworden Kapi-Streik. So yeah. Nothing I could do. Ich habe es gefeiert, weil ich gesagt habe, dass ich Review ist. Ich kann nicht genutzt das, but we'll see what happens. So yeah. But okay. A channel kann bekommen 3 Strikes, bis man macht sie der Account. Aber bekommen 1. So. But it's okay. We will survive. Levi, lesson. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Can it cause an account close? Yes, nog 3. Nog 3. Nechte maar bekommen de eerste. But it's okay. Sind wir sich geschlossen. Sind wir sich geschlossen. We will not loosen ourselves. Breaking news. Summer breaking news. Olympics set to ban all transgender athletes from female events after finding scientific evidence of advantage of being a born male. You gotta be stupid. Levi, have a blessed day. You as well, sir. You as well. So the no guy get. So yeah. Okay. Ik word een beetje minor distracted. Haan daarvan gaat rausgaan. Werde ich 10 sagen. Aber kommen nach gig. Not gonna say no. So go. How's your morning? Was het CMTF, laat me zien. Laat me zien, ze zijn veel erover komen echt. En ze is a daily runner. Laat me zien, voor die red. CMCT. That's one. Second one is FTCI. Gigs as in a job. A job. Somebody's gonna use my services. Job is made on 9 to 5, a consistent. That's how I see it. And a gig is in and out. You do work, you go out, you get paid in Vertiga. That's how I see it. So Grievous gig. Bitcoin 105. Question is er gaat nog een beetje laat en nog neem Bangbuga all the way down. Rickesnish. It's not about the money, it's about the move, it's about sitting on the hands. Deze was ik dacht mag auslehnen. Kann sich geschlossen. The Senate approves funding bill 60 to 40, sending it to the House. Potential final vote as early as today, which could resolve the largest U.S. government shutdown in history after 42 days. Was die gemeint, dass man bekommt a discount of federal taxes, but no. The deal avoid deeper cuts to the drawn criticism from some Democrats over healthcare subsidies. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court pauses the ruling to restore full SNAP benefits during the lapse. So it's on a short live. Beter bis 10. So. You know what I mean? Ich gehe für alle Hebrew, die haben geliked. It means a lot. Jeder like is gigantico. Space forecasters warn of a powerful corona mass ejection from the sun that could trigger widespread auroras visible in the northern U.S. states tonight, with potential disruption to power grids and satellites. A mass ejection, a corona mass ejection, is as wie a burp von der Sinn. Der Sinn geht a kleiner burp. Es gibt mehr Particles von der Sinn zu der Welt. Und wenn die Welt wird gehit bei uns, die Welt hat ein magnetic field, also wie ein Chäume für magnetic field in der Welt, was shield uns, was gibt daraus von der North und South Pole. So dort wird es gehit, wenn es interact mit der Atmosphäre, it do shine colors. Wenn man geht zu Iceland, Russia, even in the circle, weißt du Russia, but Iceland, Greenland, Alaska, can man sehen auroras. So, it should be nice. JB, good morning, JB, JNH Travel, how you doing? Good morning. Ich gehe einfach around checken. How are you? How's your morning so far? The Sky DJ, mit jetzt gerät von The Sky. Good morning, good morning. Hello, sunshine. Don't be blind. It's gonna be a good sunshine. Everybody's gotta do their time. The Sky DJ. Ich habe getracht an der Früh, ich bin gegangen für a walk. Ich bin up to 2300 steps. Verhand. Und ich habe getracht von der neuen Ligen. Für Strulli Green. Enjoying the cold. Nice. Yes. I get in cover. So, ich habe getracht von der neuen Ligen von wie heißt das? Strulli Green. I don't need your package. I was thinking, Singers machen die Ginem. Und sie habt sich heraus eine Line. Nicht du, nicht dort. Habt sich heraus eine Stückchen Line von sie. Normal wird es nicht gekannt so. Aber wenn man like das Music, also wie den Ligen, also geht so, nimm dich das Leben, ja? Geht das so ran. Und sie weiß auch, wie man steht auf der Welt. Wie hält man? Acheshma Nefesh. So den Ligen, I don't need your package. A dumb song. Period over. So I was thinking about the package when I zooked. I don't need your package. What does it symbolize? And got out a second before traffic stop showed up. Nice, JB. Technically, I still gained here at 65, 35, 105. I should forget to cost a parking ticket, but you gained it. So I was saying about the Beckett song that's a reflect something. Be more creative than that. We can't jeder nicht sein creative. I mean, again, you might not like it. No, ich habe es nicht gesehen. What's my quick pay? My quick pay is Viggy at Gmail. Viggy vibes. The Viber. VIBIES at Gmail. Other casters schicken Sie Viggy 50. Viggy 50 at Gmail. Viggy 50. So, what I was saying about the Beckett, that it reflects the times that we're in. Ja, ich weiß, dass es ist fun. Where you should send it to? Wo soll er das sagen? HBS, good morning. You gave out a new mix this week? Nice. Check it out, laat maar zijn. Ich habe dir das geschickt, du Viggy Y50. Ich habe es geliked in the comment. Pinchas, Ungar. Good morning. Hello and welcome. So I want to say like this. So wegen der Package, I want to go back to the package. Kijk wie me steht. It sounds like I get overall. Yeah, I don't need your package. The only thing I need is you. This meint, dass du a große Part für Claudius zu wie man sagt. Als man will ja dann package, man will nicht dich. Think about it verkehrt. And I think it's kind of sad. I'm releasing a song with the Pashpishka whatever. Nice, HBS. Nice. Good for you. I mean, good for all of us because we're gonna hear it. Ins gaan met es heden. Gaan met 10 beglaun nicht kehren. Finde Eugen geit kimmen treten. Mir geit nicht werden zu sterben. Kommt das heraus. Mathe Shabbos cool. Kommt heraus. A neue Song. Thank you, Levi. Levi geschickt das Superchat. Thank you, Levi. Thank you so much. This is what keeps the channel going. This is what the channel keeps going, really. Zach is back. Hello and welcome. What a nice surprise this morning. What a nice surprise. So, wann kommt das heraus? Bei Gespischke Video. Lass mal sehen. Was hat er gesagt? You sent it me on WhatsApp. Oh, das schicken Sie mir ein E-Mail, weil mein Phone connection to the... Wenn ich spiele, kann ich es nicht sehen. Schicken Sie Viggy@gmail. Thank you so much, Levi. So, what I was saying, wegen der Package, no board trading today. Nope. No structure, no trade. Exactly. You gotta be consistent. You gotta have a plan. You gotta be a man with a plan, or a woman with a plan, or a woman with a man with a plan. Either or. So, but kids, the Package song really made me think that wie man halt, that ze do menschen, was willen dich ja nur für dein Package. And I think that's kind of interesting. So gets like Kimaros Shishnaginem, you know? Like 40 girls were kicked out of Satmar yesterday for wearing makeup at a wedding. Oi vey. We will show them. We will throw all of them out. En nog het man schrijven, wat is er door zoveel meidelijk op een gas? What's happening? Wat dat gaat dus. Sagt man meidlich tun ist trugen kann Make-up? Waar gaat ze dan? Oh, bye. They always find ways to surprise us. Like, that's the problem now. Gevre hargen zich, mensen kennen niet coveren kan bills. But that's But hey, I won't be in their way. I look at it the opposite way. The Bekkertje song proves that today's people don't need the Bekkertje. Exactly. They say the obvious, Zach. I don't need the Bekkertje. They zoekt er. But ze put in a light, at bis jetzt, oder noch alt, ich do Menschen, wo es davon der verdammt Bekkertje. So it's very interesting. Das ist auch JB, man ganze Sache von der Perspischke Rebbe is that he's doing an act. So I don't know. So yeah, so ich kijk die ganze Parshivske Rebbe as it's just an act. It's nicht, it's not like he's saying something or that. Lass mal sehen, if it's interesting. Hold on, lass mal sehen.
Wo sind die gemacht, die zu dreit in Kino, weiß auf der Kreis. Kommt der Mensch reden an Kino, sagst auf Englisch oder so.
Ja, lass ihn reden. Lass ihm sich Fans werden.
Was suchst du haben?
Heb dan weer een man Engelse ding gemaakt van de wereld. I don't need the package, was I don't need.
Maar dat is maar niet Yiddish. Je daar niet dan package.
Oké, hoe is het gemaakt op Engels? Hoe is het gemaakt op Engels? Hoe is het gemaakt op Engels?
En Yiddish je ook?
Yiddish? Vader was dan niet. Geiz erhof, want ik heb aan sloegen eraf. Dat is wat daar graag is. Komt er niet in. Hier op daar graag is. Dat is Amerika.
Okay, mir hört nicht. Will stam sagen, was I get it, it's an act. Will nicht soll rausgeben, also that is not interesting. Not interesting, I say. Meaning like, we get the point. We are getting points. And the problem is, JB, die zoekt de woord is a good actor, dat weer zo. Then it kills the whole ernstkeit. It kills the real situation. So wie the wolf thing. Jeder eine schreit wolf, wolf. By the way, op keine toch nog gezoek wie Giddy bist aan. Zoek de gesalantje, you deserve it. Just zoek wie Giddy bist. That's all. Kijk dich in Spiegel und zoek wie Giddy bist. Lass dich nicht von keinem. Lass dich nicht von dir allein, let's be real. When he wasn't invited to his son's wedding, we also the Rebbe real sad he wants. Oh, kann ich gesehen, Jens? HBS, bis de Wahl schrei vor, ja? He wasn't invited to his son's wedding? Mamish Rishas. Mamish Rishas, die alle Sachen. Foy by HBS featuring specific Rebbe. Oh, the Nigen heißt Foy. I see. I don't think he means anything serious. He loves the act. Yeah, he must love it. I mean, he must like it. At least. He's been doing it. Die kennen zijn vader any video. Get er eens een kick to the camera arbeit. Dat is een kleine side-eye. To the camera. Ja, get a kikkel. Hesher blijft mee de paar in the Rebbe's house the night of his son's wedding. I didn't know that. Als ik eens aan zien schassen. Such sadness. Such riches that they do. Again, I'm sure, I hope, I hope the terrets van nicht los nemen kimmen zu der Gassen is so geht, als wenn hier ist. Hello guy, yep, okay. But if not, the worst thing from the world is to reject a parent from their kid. Yeah, it's a gered van hem apu take zurück. It's a Mosgate Sholi Grossman's song. And somebody here in the chat is erover gekomen zoeken als man neemt weg zijn dochter. And why and how? Gitsobjener is emesdig abusive, like physical, emotional, sexual. But I feel it demos cameras maken supervised visits. Because the meer die wilst wegnemen door kinder gaat wel meer gaan anyways. The way he was laughing at Nach's podcast when he asked him directly, I mean, he means anything. He loves the attention. Gives it all away. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. $10.99 for CMCT. I have an aunt that had a nasty divorce. My ex-uncle was a real mental case, but my aunt still give him a lot of time with the kids. Exactly. They do supervised visits. But what a terrible gold is $4,100. $4,139. Beter. Again. It's crazy as humans kennen this thing. Crazy. I know some crazy stories. Ik manage de kinder via pawn, via stikkel, pawn. En ook dan de kinderen zijn ganzen zermischt. Zo had van de tata, de eltern, de andere zaad, whoever had gehetst of de andere zaad. And then it doesn't like even that side was not gehetzt. So it's like you're ruining a kid's life. A kind daarvoor matata. No matter what. I mean, again, no matter what the circumstances is a bisschen breit gered, but it shouldn't be so many cases. Let's put it that way, okay? Nicht jeder einer der Koko, nicht jeder einer der zedreit. Jeder? Ze doet zedreiten, but nicht jeder. Hamaspik hat auch het Nora Mount. Keiner. Wenn Sachen worden gewesen verkehrt, worden der regular Durum gehad kleine Bosses und Hamaspik war gehad größere, riesige yellow Bosses. If you know what I'm saying? There's a reason for we do kleine Bosses for Hamaspik. I'm sorry for everybody that goes to Hamaspik. I didn't mean to call you out, but ik voer naar hem met een riesige symbol of een van, so it's a little worse than I'm doing. Get geld voor Hamaspik, doe het hier een sample. Oh, bijna geen idee, maat. Ze gaan met Shara Gemle. Get geld voor Shara Gemle, doe het hier een sample. Zach, wieso geht es? You back in the Arets? How is it there? How's it going? Is it different? Better? Op dan maar. We trying here, we trying. JB and Streimer. Bei der Tag, wo sich darf mich ending live, I mean short the live, fliegt die Zeit, you know? Some days noch 3-4 Schuhe ist bei 15 Minuten später. 15 Minuten später ist 3 Schuhe. And I'm like, damn. Israel is gorgeous. Nice. Yeah. There's something there. There's something there. Zach, bist in dezelfde school? Shiva? Chayder? Manal? Whatever? Wie Fayur? Or switcheroo? Pam pira pam para pam 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 pira pa para pam pam piri pi piri pi pi. CG. Good morning, CG. How you doing? Shine der zu sehen, du. Family B. It's been a minute. Family B, Family B. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon. Life is not disposable. I don't change places daily. Yeah, okay, but I don't know. I don't know how that works. I don't know how it works. $9.19. Pira-para, 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 pira-pira-ra-ra-ra-ra. But nice, you're enjoying your place. That's good. Viggy, I should have you in the Western Wall because you... Zach, hast gegeben, also wie ein Compliment und ein Stech at the same... A zip, a hug and a zip at the same time. Viggy should have in mind you in the Western Wall. Aw, so sweet. Because you can't have access. It was a proud UTA graduate. A zip. Funny enough, alles hat man erwähnt, ich kann erfuhren, gehen der Erste zu der Käusel. That's like the first thing they want to do. Einmal gewinnen in der Car, das hat man, der kommt tun, immer versucht, das ist der Käusel. Sagt er, Avant? Ja, gemeint, etwas interessant. Ist das mal Avant? Wen nehmen der besucht nicht gegangen? Was sagt, that's up to you. Very nice of you, very nice of you. Very nice of you. All the thoughts. You can see him in the Western Wall live. You there now, Zach? I always ask Sapman in the UTA. United with whom? Zach is on a roll. Zach is on a spicy roll. Zach is not gonna back off. It's gonna be tough. Gonna have a ruffle. Got essen heiße Kartoffel. But that's a good one. United Talmudic Academy. Ich dachte mir Academy. And United mit Wayman. Der Lieder schlucken sagt, good one. I'll give you that, Zach. I will give you that one. Bidi 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 bidi. Bidi 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 bidi. Bidi bidi bip 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 bidi bip bidi bip 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 bip. Zach, du bist von UTA as well? That you have it on your mind as I in the free? The is record on his profile to show it that he's Satmar. Good one, family B. Yisroel G. Hello and welcome. We feeling the love. Thank you for naar aankomen zingen hello. En zijn we over de Western Wall. A picture van Yisroel G. Welcome. Bis naidu. So. Bis naaier do, right? Let's go for naar aankomen zingen hi. Very nice of you. I just needed to scream at Satmar because of the makeup story. I see what you're saying. Okay. You Bubba all the way. Bubba goes to the wall, no? In Bubba laat me rennen to de wand. Bubba, we hebben gezegd, laat mannen gaan zien hem rennen to de wand. This is a joke, Hevre. No need to get all up in the bunches here. Okay? Thank you. No issues with the wall, huh? It's your friend Giddle. No way! Giddle. Hello and welcome. You should have said it that way. I didn't understand. Welcome, Giddle. A real smile on the face. 3K Mazel Tov. Yes, family B. Thank you for everybody who's going to press the button. No short if you don't break 6, 7, 8. Thank you, Zach. $6.85. No short, zoekt no financial advice. Don't fight my algorithm. I ain't fighting. I'm staying quiet, my man. Chabashtikl bias has Sevilla Ruga in hand. But we're gonna keep it at that. We're not gonna insert my bias at all. But no hoef my bias nemen. 6-7. I mean, Mr. Gaz, they 6-7. Meaning, it's the new age. It's the new age. We gotta fold to the new age. Boom, biddy biddy bid boom, biddy 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 boom boom boom. Viggy, I can explain it to you privately. Sure, no problem. You got it. I'm ready to listen. I don't know if I'll understand it because I'm not that, I'm not that good, but with enough explanations, we're good. Bitcoin 104. I'll see you Bitcoin at 76,000, 75,000. Einer gesagt, das hat umgekommen zu 20,000. Which that would be scary. Not gonna lie, that's gonna be scary. If you were born in the Beirach Moshe times, you're considered old. Oh, already? Okay. I found some huge funds. I found messages from huge funds. Hey, count me in. Count me in. Whatever secrets you got, share them. I mean, again, you don't need to, but if you want to. But angesigned in the Sirius account. Someone does not Sirius. My chat was disconnected, Gevre. What just happened? Am I still live? Is everything good? Test. This seems like it's working. Okay. $23 green is better via 45L. Right. You get what I'm saying? Some days you just gotta take what you get, my man. Family B, white flag. Family B's coming in with a white flag. De internet gegeven als ik katto's verder niet. I wonder why. We testen een beetje French fries. Viel wie darf even een nog account voor bij nacht. Because ik heb een copy strike. De eerste op de account. Waar gereviewd hebben. En ooit bij Kim 3. Niet dat ik gewoon mooi ervan vind. Maar ooit bij Kim 3. Kennen ze het zien maken de account. So. Excuse me. That was like a held back situation. Yes, had a 15K loss in the olden days, exactly. So don't be mucho upset, you know. Thank you, Zach. You as well. Have a lovely and successful and awesome and amazing day. Don't forget, Zach, you're good enough. Die bist fine. Okay, get a hug. The Viggy the best. Nobody does it. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself anyways. So wie dann a Schule ist. Das allein zu machen an die erste Trippen. Und nur den Blätter abdrippen. So just do it yourself. Do it by a mirror. You know what I'm saying? Zoek doch wie je bist. Schäm dich nicht, wenn ich zu mischt. Tränen darf man geben, als sie wisch. So wie am Top, man darf geben, an mich. All right, enough mit der Grammar. Ribidi-bidi, dupidi-dibi, dubidi-bidi. Was hat sich geregt? Jetzt haben wir FTCI. Es geht nicht aus, wie Sachen dicken sich an. Bidi 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 bidi. Digga digga ding lamp lamp bidi bidi ba da ba ba. Baby, a deadly toll, a Category 5 storm in Jamaica has risen 45 to 45. 45 people sind gestorben. Oh my God. 15 people still missing, struggling to reach isolated towns and neighborhoods. Haiti, confirmed death is 43. Nearly 12,000 homes flooded, over 200 destroyed. Ah. Crazy, die zwei rote Candles, so. Private show? What do you mean? HBS, what are you saying? So gedumped 780 to 680. 100 points. Wow. 100 points. Hab mal ein bisschen Coins. So HBS, wenn released es, the show, ich meine, the song, als free gesagt, kann ich gierig mitgehalten. Mein Gedenk nicht. Ich habe gesehen, als die Amerikaner haben gerickt, the American Army hat gerickt planes, große military assets next to Venezuela. I think Thursday. Nice. That would be nice. That would be nice to hear, you know? The Oilem is hingerig. The Oilem Villas. So supposedly, Puerto Rico, the ganze airspace ist vermacht für Puerto Rico, weil wegen military activity. Sie drew 3 aircraft carriers, wo sind umgekommen in der Gegend von Venezuela. Venezuela gelegt auf the beach, the Russian defense, air defenses. The question is, wir gehen gerne mal kommen mit Venezuela. That will not be good. That will not be good. French Guiana, Guiana. Oy vey. Sie grenzt sich mit Brazil. Was meint man will the Amerikanische government von Venezuela? Supposedly bringen sie über drugs, but who knows? Maar ze brengen über drugs, das ist sicher, das ist nicht... Bidi. Okay, a stickel stiller tog, a kleiner stickel stiller tog, which is also good, which is not bad. Nicht jeden Tag kann sein so noisy, you know what I mean? Some days ist stiller wie der andere. And that's just a fact of life, nicht jeden Tag geht sein a 10. You know, some days it's just... Ich habe gesehen, als der Chevite-Guy Wolf Bear hat rausgenommen in der Office, which is very nice. Rausgenommen in der Office in Lakewood. Ich wünsche ihm Bruche als Luche mit der ganzen Sache. Russian forces launches over 450 drones and 45 missiles targeting critical infrastructure and residential areas, killing at least 7 and injuring 12 in Dampor and in Zaporizhzhia. Man vergesst das so schnell von jener War. Was a titzig. Man Baum dort ist, like there's no tomorrow. Menschen starben rechts und links, man redet nicht davon. Panaberi pupa pa pipi. So mal warten, du bist der 45. Another 4 minutes. Ribidi bidi 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 bidi. Zalman. Zalman Danziger. Hello and welcome. How are you? How are you, Zalman? You're kicking some, how you doing? People up making some push-ups, huh? Making the world healthier one person at a time. Which is very nice. Het ist mehr auf wie Menschen mit riesige große Organizations. Die bis der vier Koiden la Macke, if you know what I'm saying. Du Menschen, was meinen als, you know, man helft nur der Kranke. No, no, no. Man darf helfen der Gesinnte, fahr sie werden krank. So, thank you for what you're doing. Ik ben een grote advocaat voor zijn gezind and healthy. You're doing wonderful so far. Nice, I like the mindset. I liebe the mindset. If es geht ein bisschen schwer, mach ein bisschen Push-Ups, hè, Salman? Ich rede so grob und breit. Ich mache keine Push-Ups. I need to start doing push-ups. Push-ups, sit-ups. But I must say, ich bin sehr surprised that I continued on with the walking every single day in 2025. Ich rede schon ein bisschen breit, weil man halt schon bei der Soft in the year. And it seems like I'll be finishing. I'll be finishing the year. So that's good. Vice versa. Hello and welcome. Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Have reviewed Isaac Lick's new song. What is what? Yes. Habe es reviewed. Eine von den Lives. The last few days, I don't remember which one. Let's go 5 push-ups. I was thinking about it. Sie machen a push-up cam, a camera. Die geben es da Sinn und ich mach push-ups. I was thinking of that, Zalman. Finny G. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Noch mal kurz nachher in Day Trade und noch ich machen 5 push-ups. Sit nicht on camera, but you guys will have to believe me. You guys will have to believe me. Wat gewoon is passen Day Trade. I would assume the morning live. Thinking is not doing. We're gonna do it right now. We're gonna do 5 push-ups. En ga je eens de staan off camera. Hold on, laat maar zijn. Alright. Okay. All right. Jeder eine congratulate me. Woo! Enjoy vice versa. Oh, okay. Thank you, Zalman. Woo. Habe gemacht 10. Zalman, habe gemacht 10. Just the appeasing the, you know. Mag ich auch 5. Ich mach 10. Let me catch my breath here. That's how out of shape. That's how much out of shape. Thank you, Zalman, for the morning push. Se was mir wie nicht in shape mir ist. Jana sucht round is auch in shape. Agreed. But not the desired shape. Sam K. Good morning, Sam K. Hello and welcome. Libis Naido. Nice. Can you explain again what you're doing with the stacks? I'm new by the reviews. I'm here a lot. Ich bin in Trading School. To be honest, in jetzt lerne ich mich aus, nicht noch zu laufen in der Trade. Once ich gehe ran in der Trade, ist sie sitzen in der Trade bis himself. Nicht herum zu jagen. Nicht Arutzi nehmen, Arutzi zippen. I'm grading myself as a B plus. Still have to learn a lot. It's not about the money, it's about the move. So. Ich werde aufgeblasen. I'm like, bro, ja, zero sich zu sorgen wegen dem. Okay? Die guys werden aufgeblasen, also, like you think. Thanks, Jericho. Sam! Ich gehe auf einen Commenten. Ich gehe auf einen Dusan. Really means a lot. I'm gonna have to end this live in a few. This is a short live hunt because I got a gig. But okay. Zalman in der Push-Up Mindster. Oh, we'll do it. But Sam K, how you feeling? How you doing? Ribidi-bidi-dibidi-bidi. Any chance to spread out of Brooklyn? Me and my friends are not in shape. Zalman, potential customers. Zalman. You do Brooklyn? Bist du Brooklynite? American forces killed 2 suspects in Pacific Ocean, striking 3 in the Caribbean Sea, a part ongoing operation against alleged narco traffickers. Ma blues aus von der Wasser ist. Ob es drugs, ist es geht. Ob nicht, sad. Well, I can feel my ganze, kein just 10 push-ups, kind of feel wie my ganze Blit, der ganze Rush, Blit gefahren zu der Kopf, zu der Rush. Man hat ein Rush im Kopf, Rush in der Rush. Alright. Chibi, 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 chibi. Rippy, chippy, pippy, pim. Chippy, 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 chippy. Zal mine. A potential customer. Sag mir bequemer. Wat Pinny, die kennst du nach dem 10 Alliance. Ich will nicht wegnehmen von Salman, aber ich sag, at least do ein Push-Up. One full Push-Up. Und wenn die pusht darauf, exhale. Gar nicht mit der full stomach darauf. Exhale as you push out. In the idea, die kennst den 1, right? Is it just the consistency jeden Tag. Ich habe schon getragen über die Jahr, sie sein consistent mit Push-Ups und das. It's not so easy. Ich gebe mich alle Gitter Territza, mich wird dizzy. But I must do it. And today is the best day to start. Today is one day than yesterday, and a day before than tomorrow. So don't wait. Don't push your luck or your fate. You get what I'm saying? Coulda, woulda, should've, and then it's too late. Nemt er aus de tille met me get a bait. In any rate, just start. Koiden das du unheiben mit ein Push-Up. Just one push-up. Start with one push-up a day. Don't go away from the day without one push-up. Once you have the consistency down with the push-ups, then you just add on that. Because it's not a workout, really, that it's the challenging part. Ja, es ist schwer, a workout. It's the consistency.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier. So much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then. So
Did you review? Meiner soll. Not sure.
Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, baby.
Oh yeah.
We stopped at nothing, baby.
Oh yeah.
They couldn't take us, they couldn't shake us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. No, we didn't care at all. About winter or spring or fall, we felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. We just had one of those things.
Wikipedia somewhere.
I guess I've had some things to figure out, but now that I'm done, I'm full of doubt. Was it easy for you? Yeah, was it too
Easy for you.
You used to say that you would always be mine, but you seem to be doing just fine. Now I think about you. I just can't seem to stop Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby.
Zimmer Zeiger, 7 o'clock live. I think it should be a regular night. 7 till 9. Come up a scheduled 9, 9:30, so should be good. Besides if a gig comes in.
Thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things.
Have a lovely day, Penny.
When we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us.
I don't remember vice versa. Nicht offhand.
No, we didn't care at all. About winter or spring or fall, we felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving.
Thank you, Penny.
Sunshine and
You as well.
yeah, we had one of those things.
One of those days.
We just had one of those things.
Yeah, we had one of those things. Thank you, Penny. Bidi 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 pe 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 pe. Vice versa, wat doet ze? How are you? Check it out, do mit mir. Will sein du dann tief. Will fühlen, wo du spürst. Moishi Feldman. Good morning. Hello and welcome. How you doing? I'm gonna get off the live in a few minutes, Moishi. It's a short day. I got a geek. We staan 10:05, een beetje verder. En finish? Wo soll ich kämpfen? Wo soll ich nicht entfernen? Beep, 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 beep. Vice versa, I guess it's trash, huh? Could be I'm doing a little strasje. Can we have more details? No, Moshi. No. There's no details to be given. You know what I mean? It's for need to know basis. I don't make the rules, I just follow them. Okay, some of the rules I make. In this case, not telling people. We appreciate your commitment to come live, even for a little bit. Yes, yes. I try. The take was, like I can't even go for a little bit. I'm like, oh man, de gaat warten. But what could I do? My bread, you know, daarvan komt off the dish somehow. Get what I'm saying? I don't make the rules. Ik ben een rule follower, you know what I'm saying? Alright, Gevre. Okay. Ze komen de tijd wie man darf zich zegenen. Darf zeggen goodbye. Kein mule cheesy. No matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. We'll get my score, follow, like, share, comment, and subscribers. Especially members. We'll get my score für jeder eine Flüge, wenn eine lange Zeit kostet. Viele Dinge haben wir auf andere Tab gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab. Warum ich? Mein Dear. Thank you. We'll get my special thanks for Levi Lesson. For den schicken a quick pay. Sie halten the channel. That's how the channel keeps growing and going. You know what I mean? It's the fuel to the car. It's the drink to the bar. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I really appreciate it. Housekeeping. Handnacht live 7 o'clock if I don't get any gigs. So that should be. Yeah. Thank you all for being here. I just got to run. It has been a pleasure. Thank you for the opportunity, peoples. Ik ben zeer grateful als ik ken deze team. Thank you all for the likes, for the shares, for the comments, for the subscribers. Like I said, couldn't have done it without you. So thank you all. Peace and love. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.